Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to roast a tender and juicy turkey. So let's get started. I've got here one whole turkey which I have rinsed and dried using some paper towel, some cooking spray, baking tray, some foil, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, a piece of kitchen string and a pastry brush. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees if it is a fan-forced oven and 180 degrees if it is a conventional oven. Dip your pastry brush in oil and brush it all over the turkey. With the wings, brush oil on both sides, lift the tip, fold it up and tuck it to form a triangle as shown in my video. Sprinkle salt all over and rub it well. Put the turkey breast side up, grab the legs and tie it using a string. Take the baking tray and spray it with some cooking spray. Place the turkey in the center with breast side up. Lightly spray 2 sheets of foil and cover the turkey. Bake it in the oven, allowing 25 minutes for every 500 grams of turkey. In the last 30 minutes of cooking, remove the foil to let the skin get brown. Take it out, cover it with foil and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving. My juicy roast turkey is ready and you can serve it with your favorite vegetables and some gravy. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.